Here. Today we have a helpful tip. Not doing an inspection, but doing some home maintenance. For those of you that own these tankless water heaters, especially in the new builds, they probably don't tell you these things need to be descaled every year. Maybe more if you don't have a water softener. And all the newer units come with flush valves on them. You buy this handy little kit. Comes in a bucket, pump, 2 hoses, and a bottle of descaling solution. Hook everything up, open and close the valves as the instructions say, and just let it run for 45 minutes to an hour. That should keep your water heater happy and working for years. Thanks for watching and have a great day.